Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. This is February and it is a time of love. Let's paint some lovebirds. Let's get started. I'm starting with the green back of a Lilian lovebird, which is a small parrot species native to Africa. It is mostly green, but I'm making the upper tail covert a bit more blue. In this case, I don't remix the green color, I just add a bit more blue to it to paint. For the orange head, I use yellow, orange, and red shades. And then the red beak is a mix of orange and red. The upper chest of this lovebird is in orange color, but I use yellow shades with a bit of orange. The essence of painting lovebird is that I want them to be close to each other, so the posture or where they stand are important. And I find it quite challenging because they have big beaks. These lovebirds are in natural habitat. I'm painting some leaves. I've mixed the green color with yellow and blue and add a little bit of orange color to add some dynamics to the color mix. There is no rules in painting this type of leaves because this is not a particular type of plants and there is no particular form as long as there is a variation in every brushstrokes. That is, variations in color and variations in shapes, large and small. Some are closer together and some are further apart. You can paint as much or as little as you like. Now comes to the last part, which is the most important part, the eyes. The position of the eyes are important, and also there is a white eye ring. If you want to highlight the white eye ring, I suppose you can use white color, but I simply use ink to create an outline. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. I'll see you next time.